My name is Kevin Wall, and my role in Vertu is Supply Chain Director, which takes care of all the normal supply chain activities through to manufacturing, through to distribution across the globe. Vertu is a mobile phone company that happens to pride itself in craftsmanship and also prides itself in being able to meet very exacting standards in terms of materials that we use. Our base product is mobile phone, and we sell predominantly to trade partners and, more importantly, our retail outlets globally. We have in the region of 69 retail outlets globally positioned.
My name is Abby Temlett. I'm a BIT tutor for JTJ Workplace Solutions. I've worked in engineering for over 20 years. My background is automotive industry, where I learned continuous improvement with BMW. We rolled out a 23 million improvement in 12 months to save the factory, which is now a Mini. I moved on to hydraulics, worked in America delivering continuous improvement, and then ended up doing the teaching side of things. My main role at Vertu is to encourage the students to engage in a continuous improvement programme, which in what they receive is an apprenticeship level 2 in business improvement techniques. So part of that deliverable is that we tutor them, we guide them through and facilitate them through a project of improvement and their functional skills. Some of the successes with the teams and their projects are that the learners have engaged into a classroom environment for the first time in many, many years. Some of our students are in their 20s and some have been in their early 60s. So for them it's the first time. The confidence was quite low, but that's really, really grown. And you can see that with those that are re-engaging into the Year 2 Level 3 programme, so that they've got that chance then to progress even further. And the confidence levels have been fantastic. Even to go to a manager and ask for something, they've had that confidence to go up and say, hey, you know, can you support me with this? When before, they probably wouldn't have said anything at all and just kept it to themselves. So it's great to see that.
Extremely. I mean, you know, I'm sort of in my late 50s now. Didn't think I'd be doing that now, but I have got there and I'm enjoying it extremely. But most of all, I think I love seeing some of my girls and guys get up there and get the certification. And also, what it means is that since we finished the first programme, a lot of activities are already going on. I've got a team currently that I'm not involved with. They're having a look at the whole warehouse, how it flows, how it's laid out, what equipment's in there, how it's used, what savings they could do. All of this without me. In the sense that what they'll do is if they want help, if they need a little bit of financials, they'll come to me, and all they do is just keep me updated about once a month to how it's progressing. And there's another one just finished in the packing area, and there's a third one starting in the packing area again, all without me involved in that sense. So it's to me it's fantastic. It really is.
One of the areas that I always was very anxious to improve and to see how far we could go was the notion that I knew I had a workforce that were very eager to learn and to move forward and to adopt some different ways of working. What the JTJ and Vertu relationship has given me has been a platform to propagate that, if you like. So where we came out was we had a program that we constructed with JTJ and the college, and we tailored it to fit the individuals. But the individuals were the main part of this, because they were thirsty for this ability to take it forward. And as I've seen in this last 12-18 months, they haven't let me down. They've been absolutely tremendous. And we've seen some really good individuals blossom and grow and go on to greater things in terms of their promotions and their abilities to do other things and deliver really good efficiency, savings and quality improvements to the Vertu business. Yes, Vertu is planning to continue the relationship with JTJ, and in fact we've already agreed our program of work going forward, and I would expect that this will continue at a pace, and looking forward to the relationship continuing.